Hello students, welcome to my online class. Today we are going to discuss the note making in detail. In previous class I have already discussed it in live way, but today you get some idea in a further way. So let's start. What is the meaning of note making? Note making, as you understand, it is the practice of recording information captured from another sources. By taking notes, the writer records the essence of the information, freeing their mind from having to recall everything. As a human being, it is not easy for us to recall everything. Suppose some important lecture or some important topic, the content, okay, we just try to find the important points in that particular that particular content or that particular lecture or that particular chapter. Okay, when we just try to pick out some important points and try to make it in the format, and by seeing that, as I given the definition in previous class, note is that by which we have an idea of the content in a single glance. So here we have another definition which says note making is the practice of recording information captured from another source. Okay, by taking notes, the writer records the essence of the information, freeing their mind from having to recall everything. Actually, when we make a notes, okay, we just free ourselves to have the idea of everything. We just try to be concerned with all those points which is important to us. Okay, understood? So we move further. Okay, how does it help us? That is very important. And what is the practical use of the note making? It helps us to apply the knowledge of selecting key idea from the passage. Okay, means one thing is very important. It is the comprehension. Means in the reading section this question is come. It has to apply the knowledge. Means how much understanding you have by reading that particular passage. Okay, you have to apply the knowledge of selecting key idea from the passage. Means what is there important, key idea means what is of more important in that particular passage, you have to pick out. Okay, we can organize the sub points in the passage. Okay, sub points, about sub points I have clear in the previous class. It able to pick words and phrases and regroup, organize the information. Okay, we have to organize the information in a very serialized way, which help us in understanding the content, in understanding the everything whatever given in the content of the passage or any other thing. Understood? We have to understand what is the more important points which we have to keep in our mind when we make a note of any given passage. First of all, we have to shortlist the words and phrases. Okay, we just arrange them, regroup them and organize the information. Okay, select the format of note making. You know very well. After that, we have to give a suitable title. For title, I have told you what is the central point, what is the throughout point in that particular passage. You have to decide on a numbering system. Okay, means number, you have to be very logic in giving the number, what is there in the first para, what is there in the second para. In that way you have to organize. Okay, this is the structure. First of all, you have to write the title. Okay, and after that you have to write the first passage. Okay, topic, subtopic, detail, second main topic. This is the structure. Okay, These are the abbreviation which you have used in the means you have used in the note making. Okay, next means in this way you have to make the notes. So for writing the note making, first of all you have to read the passage very carefully. Okay, and after that you just try to organize them in a serial way, and after that you have to follow the format, and after that you have to think about it. Okay, I hope this PowerPoint presentation help you in understanding the note making in further way. In next class I will give you the live demo of note making in detail. Understood? For any query you can ask the question from anywhere. Okay, thank you.